Welcome back to learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. This brings us to the last of the Mae Mai techniques. If you haven't watched the previous videos, do navigate to them, and check out the other techniques.
Hi, this is Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and today I have with me my student Ganesh and student Rishabh, and today would be the last 3 techniques of Mae Mai Muay Thai. And the first one we now show you is Chawala, extinguishing the lamp technique. Let's see how we do that. This is a technique against a fist. Let's say I can punch. Let's say a cross jab, ready. You make way in this technique so you can counter with a cross jab again in return. But the difference here is, it is not like a regular cross jab, like we do it like 1 and 2 and 3. It's a little bit different. It comes like a wave formation. So when the punch is coming for the attack, I make way. By sliding back, I make way, and the rear hand goes up like a wave formation on the nose bridge or anywhere on the face. That's the point of contact. That's Chawala. Let's see now. Ready? Up, away. Up, away. Up, away. Up, away. That's how you counter using the Chawala technique. Thank you. Let's now see the second technique, Cognac Juggling, the giant catching the monkey. Does it make sense? Yes. It's a series of defense against multiple attacks, which we will now witness. Ganesh, ready? Rishabh, ready? Take your position. All right. We go by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Clear? First one, jab. Good. That is the first defense where you avoid the incoming force with a sweep. Good. Ready. Second technique, the angle kick. Push the angle kick downward. All right. 2, angle kick. Good. Now put the leg in the front. It's a continuity of the third attack, sorry. The back fist. Tadmala. You're blocking the reverse fist using the Tadmala. Right? Fourth one, the knee. Push the knee away. Again, the fourth one, push the knee away, knee attack. Yes. The fifth one would be the roundhouse kick. Walk side and lock the kick. Now you'll see this technique in a flow. Ready? Ready? Take a deep breath out. Ease up. Breathe out. Ready? Let's go. At the count of 1, you go for all the 5 movements now. Ready? 1. That's good. Let's go again one more time. Very good, very good. Let's go. Ease up. Ease up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. You can see a series of different attacks come one after the other. The leg, the elbow, the knee. Ready? And you can see the difference that goes with every attack that comes through. Let's do one more time. Ready? Flow now. Ready? 1. Go. 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 Okay. Good. That's Cognac Juggling. A series of defense against attacks, multiple attacks. Thank you. Let's now see the last and the third technique, Hakko Irawan, breaking the neck of the elephant. All right. Let's take, for example, a swing come through and you block the neck. Right. Let's go again. Up, block and clinch and pull and bang, 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 bang. That's Hakko Irawan. Thank you. Again, watch a little bit slow. Ready? As you move against the swing coming in, right? You lock the neck with the clinch. Swing, hip. 1, and then 2. Attack, 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 attack. Finish. That's Hakko Irawan. I hope you enjoyed the lessons of Mae Mai Muay Thai. And please do like and share these videos, and do not forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. Thank you.